Good day and happy Friday. It's the 1st of March here, 2024. It's Dave Swenson, broker owner of Suncaost Global Realty, and today I'm out here at Bird Key Park. Bird Key Park is as you come over the bridge, there's a traffic light. If you go to the left, you go into the Bird Key development. Go to the right, that's Bird Key Park. There's parking along the way. There's kayak launches here. There's everything else. What's really neat is that you can actually go under the bridge, which is behind me. I'm going to show you in a second. But if you go under the bridge, there's actually a nice little park on the other side that you can overlook the Bay of Sarasota. I'm going to turn this around so you can kind of see what I'm seeing. But this is a wonderful, another little gem that we have here in the Sarasota area. So I'm going to turn around so you can see what I'm seeing. As you can see, you got a pavered parking area all through here. There's a traffic light there. Like I said, to the left you go to Bird Key, and then the parking is all through here to the right. This is Sarasota Bay right here. So look out, you can see the bay. It's not a beautiful day today. The sun's not really out, but the weather's pretty nice. It's pretty warm. I'm guessing it's probably in the mid to upper 70s, a little breezy. But you can see right here, this is a kayak launch that we have right here. And then the Healthy Beaches program, Enjoy the Beach. Come through here. You can see we got people enjoying a little, sea reef things. Hello. Got people, a little covered picnic area right there. And you can see the seawall right here. Going through, they got this all reinforced. They got benches. People to hang out to. Hello, how are you? And coming through here, but like I said, you can see what's right here. But just under the bridge on the other side, there's a park on the other side over there. Okay? But you can walk right underneath the bridge here. There's a walkway. Takes you around the corner. You can see that little vehicles on the corner there. But this takes you out under the bridge, and then there's a nice little park over there. You can overlook the bay on the other side where the marina and everything else is. But as you look off in the distance, you'll see the 888 and 988. And then of course there's the purple, the Van Wezel. And then just to the left of that, you're going to have the bay and some other things going on. I got a little friend right here coming in. There he is, saying hello. But once again, it's Dave Swenson. I'm here, and this is the bridge to the mainland of Sarasota. Once again, this is the Sarasota Bay that we're looking at. Bradenton is way off in the distance. City Island is over there, and then you got the pass and everything else. But this is Bird Key Park. So if you're in Sarasota, once again, and you want to come and see another wonderful little gem that we have here in our community, come on by and see the Bird Key Park. Once again, you cross the bridge going out to St. Armand's, that first traffic light, take a right, and there's lots of parking there, and you can wander around, and once again, wander under the bridge and over to the other side. You won't regret it, okay? Once again, it's Dave Swenson, Suncaost Global Realty. Have a great day.